Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Advanced 2015. The sum reads like this. In triangle XYZ, let A, B and C be the lengths of the sides opposite to the angles X, Y and Z respectively. If 2 multiplied with A squared minus B squared equals C squared and lambda equals to sine X minus Y by sine Z, then possible value or values of n for which cos n pi lambda equals to 0 is R, and the options are P1, Q2, R3, S5 and T6. From these 5 given options, there may be more than one correct option and we have to find all the correct options for the given question. So, first you see what is the sum actually telling. The sum is saying that we have to find the value of lambda here, n. What will be the possible values of n? And this equation is given cos n pi lambda is equals to 0. So what will be the possible values of n? Okay. Now here lambda is given, the relation of lambda is this. Okay. So we will first find the value of lambda from the here. There is a relation between A, B and we will find out the relation from here and okay, and from we will get the value of lambda and we will put the value of lambda here and then see what we will get the values of n. Okay, now see, we are solving the question. Okay, now see, here it is a triangle being given in the question. Okay, and the triangle is denoted by X, Y and Z. Okay, here it is being telling to us let A, B and C be the lengths of the sides opposite to the angles X, Y and Z. So A is opposite to angle X and B is opposite to the angle Y and C is opposite to the angle Z. Okay, now see here, there is a from here actually we are getting, okay, there is a relation between the sides of the triangle and the sine of the vertex angle. Okay, that is called the sine rule. Okay, now see here what we have here, sine x divided by the opposite side A will be equals to sine y. Okay, sine y divided by the opposite side B is equals to sine z. Okay, sine z divided by the opposite side C. This is called the sine rule. Okay, sine of the vertex angle divided by the opposite side is equals to the sine of the vertex angle divided by the opposite side is equals to the sine of the vertex angle divided by the opposite side. And let these all ratios is equals to k. We are assuming that all these ratios are equals to k. Okay, so what we are getting from here, we are getting A is equals to sine x by k. So A value will be sine x by k and B value will be sine y by k. Okay, and Z value and the C value will be sine z by k. Okay, now we will substitute these values of A, B and C here in this equation. Okay, and we will find out a ratio of sine x minus y by sine z from here in this equation. We will put the values and we will find some value of sine x minus y by sine z, and that will be the value of lambda. Okay, and then we'll put the value of lambda here and get the value of n. Okay, so that is the actually the process. Okay, now see here. Here the given relation is 2a squared minus b squared is equals to c squared. Now substitute the values of a, b and c. So what we get? A is what? A is sine x by k. So squared, it will be sine squared x by k squared. And b value is what? Sine y by k. So square will be sine squared y by k squared. Okay. So that is equals to c squared. C squared will be what? Sine squared z by k squared. Okay. So now simplify this equation. Okay. Now simplify this equation. So from here what we are getting? So from here k square is taken common out. So this become 2k square. Okay. And here we are getting sine squared x. Okay. Minus sine squared y. Okay. Is equals to sine squared z divided by k square. Now k square and k square we are cutting from both the sides. So this is the relation between the sine of the angles. Okay. So and we know that a formula of this that we will be using here. We know sine a plus b multiplied with sine a minus b is equals to sine squared a minus sine squared b. This is the formula. Sine a plus b into sine a minus b. Formula is sine squared a minus sine squared b. Okay, so this formula will be used here. So it is given that this is sine squared x minus sine squared y. So this will become 2. Okay, 2 into sine x minus y into sine x plus y. Okay, and this is equals to sine squared z. Okay, and see here one more relation you have to use here. See here what we have here, x, sum of the three angles. Here x plus y plus z is equals to 180 degree. Sum of the three angles of a triangle are always together equals to 180 degree. So what we get? Z. So z is equals to pi minus x plus y. So here x plus y taken this side. So we are getting z is equals to this. So sine z will be equals to sine of pi minus x plus y. Okay, and the sine pi minus any angle is equals to sine of that angle. So sine z will be equals to sine of x plus y. Okay, so here what we have, here we are getting sine squared z. So sine squared z is equals to what? Sine z into sine z. So for one sine z I am putting sine x plus y. Okay, and for another sine z I am keeping it as sine z. Okay, so here for one sine z, because sine z I have showed you the value is sine x plus y. So for one sine z I am writing sine x plus z y, and for another sine z I am writing it as just sine z. So what we are seeing here, in this side of the left hand side there is sine x plus y, and here there is also sine x plus y. So this will be cancelled from both the side of the equation. Okay, so what is left? This is left. 2 sine x minus y is equals to sine z. Okay, now from here what we are getting? So sine x minus y divided by sine z. So bring this sine z this side. So sine x minus y divided by sine z and take 2 this side. So this will become 1 by 2. So that is the value of lambda, because lambda is equals to sine x minus y by sine z. So sine x minus y by sine z is value is half. So that is the value of lambda. Okay, now we will substitute the value of lambda here in the equation which was given to us. Okay, so what we are getting now? Okay, now substitute the value of lambda half here. Okay, so now substitute the value. So this is told to us that cos n pi lambda is equals to 0. We have to find the possible values of n, and the lambda value we have got it as half. Now put the lambda value half. So what we are getting? Cos n pi into half will be pi by 2 is equals to 0. And we know that the cos n pi by 2 is equals to 0 when n is the odd multiples of 90. Okay, when the cos of an angle is equals to 0 when that angle is the odd multiples of 90. Okay, so n has to be a odd multiple of 90. If the n is the even multiple of 90, then the cos value will be either plus 1 or minus 1, not equals to 0. The cos value is equals to 0 when the angle is the odd multiple of 90. So n has to be the odd multiple of 90. So therefore n has to be odd multiple of odd number. Okay, because pi by 2 is 90, so n has to be an odd number. Now check from the given options which are the odd numbers in the given options. So that will be the values of n, possible values of n. So the odd numbers in the given option are here 1, 3 and 5. Okay, 2 and 6 are even numbers, so they will not be the possible values of n. So the possible values of n will be the odd numbers which are 1, 3 and 5. So the correct options will be then what? P. So the n will take the values odd numbers. So it will be 1, 3 and 5 from the given option. So the correct options are P, okay, R and S. So that is the correct option. Okay. So I hope that you must have understood the sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Okay, stay fine. Thank you.